Welcome to Cooking Americana, great meals on a budget. Today we're doing cracked chicken. This is what you'll need, and there's a link to a printable recipe in the video description. Total cost for 4 people, $8. Start out by taking 2 breasts of chicken and cutting them in half lengthwise. It's going to give you 4 pieces of chicken for 4 people. Season with salt and pepper. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's fast, it's free, and it really helps. Now we got that ranch seasoning. I'll put a little link to it up in the upper right corner, and we're going to season both sides with that as well. Now we put some flour in a plate, and we're going to add some panko to it. Mix all that up together. And then add a couple tablespoons of that ranch seasoning to that as well. Mix all that in. Now we're going to go ahead and cook our vegetables. Start out with butter and oil. That oil keeps that butter from burning. Over medium-high heat, go ahead and add your peppers and onions and your garlic. Saute those until they start to get translucent and the peppers get a little soft. Then pull them out, set them aside, and leave as much of that oil as you possibly can. Go ahead and bread your chicken, both sides. Just toss it in that pan. We're going to fry that chicken both sides until it's golden brown and delicious, and at least 165 degrees internal temperature. Simple one-pan meal here. Look how pretty that is. Just flip them over and do the other side. 165 internal temperature. And then just set them aside. Now, in that pan dripping, go ahead and add the heavy cream. I added about 3 cups. Mix it all together, get it all combined. Then we're going to add some Dijon mustard and this Better Than Bouillon roasted chicken base. I keep that stuff around. I go through that stuff so fast. I have all different flavors. Now, I'm going to cook it until it thickens like this on a nice good simmer. You see it's simmering pretty well there. Add a little salt. And then return the vegetables, the onions and peppers to the pan and just stir them in. Now, if your gravy sticks to a silicone spatula like that, you know it's good and thick. I'm going to put that chicken on a plate and just top it with that sauce. And there it is, cracked chicken. It is so good it's addictive. I'd like to thank you for joining me in my kitchen today. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It's fast, it's free. And as always, y'all have a blessed day.